This game is called the sliding puzzle. You must arrange the color counters in an order whereby all the same colors are in a column, like so. Make sure to keep one of the corner empty, as we will be sliding puzzles into the empty spot. There are a few variations to this game. So the first variation is to keep the first top row so that the other player can arrange the puzzles according to the top row. And now the first player will now jumble up all the puzzles below so that the second player can answer the question. And now that all the puzzles are jumbled up, the second player can now slide the puzzle pieces into the empty spots to rearrange the puzzle pieces in the correct order. Another variation to this puzzle is that children can arrange all the same colors in same rows instead of columns. This game is also good to encourage children's problem-solving skills. Once children are done with the game, they can repeat with different levels.